Let's use OneDrive on Android to create a PDF file. And you can choose any folder you want to store the PDF file, but it's a good idea to choose that folder before you create it. So I'm going to choose my folder here called Schoology Uploads. By clicking on that Schoology Uploads folder, we'll open it up. It's empty now. We're going to click on this little camera icon to open up the scanner, which will allow us to select an area. We're going to pick a document, and then when we like our area, we'll click on this little photo button. It snaps a photo of whatever was in there. Looks pretty good. If I want to, I could crop it by clicking this crop icon. I could rotate by clicking this rotate icon. I can choose the type of document by clicking on that icon. Let's try cropping it. It was cropped pretty well, but I can crop the corners. If I want to fine tune that, I can do one corner at a time. I could pick this grip here and just do the edge. But it looks pretty good. So now I want to add a second page to my PDF file by clicking on the Add New button. And when I click on that, it brings up the scanner app again. I find the area that I want for the second page. Once I'm happy with that, see down here we already have one in our file. We click on the photo button, it'll snap an image of that. And again, it's cropped pretty well. We could recrop it if we want to by clicking the crop image or crop icon. We can do the corners. If you warp it like this, you click OK, you're going to get a rectangle, but it's still going to look kind of goofy. Nice thing is if you recrop it, it takes you back to the original. You can undo your changes by changing the area of the crop. That looks pretty good. If we want to, we could rotate our image. If we don't like it, we can write on it by clicking the right icon. If we don't like the writing, we can do the undo. We can rotate by clicking that to get the right orientation. Once we're done with that, though, you click on the ink icon to get rid of it. Click on Done, and it'll create your PDF for you. You're going to choose the folder. We're already in the Schoology Uploads folder. That's where we want it. Up here, we're going to give it a name. We're going to call it, instead of the default scan 2020 and the date, we're going to call it Homework 1. Click on the check mark in the upper right when you're happy with the file name. It will then save it to the folder that you've chosen. It says it's empty first. It's uploading your scan. It still has to get it up into the cloud because remember, all of the stuff in OneDrive for the app is going to stay in the cloud. So we're actually uploading this PDF from your phone to the cloud, and that's where it'll stay. You can click on the Homework 1 file. It'll open it up. You can scroll up and down and look at it. There it's got one of two pages, page 2 of 2. You can make changes to it by tapping on it. There'll be another menu up there. But that's it. That gives you your PDF in your Schoology Uploads folder ready to go.